Hello YouTube, this is iPad 2 Wi-Fi open now, and before you open it using the heat gun, just make sure that you don't destroy this Wi-Fi antenna here, so you can go all over. There is nothing here, and make sure that you don't destroy as well the flex cable for the volume control and the mute as well. There is a small one as well here, all around empty. There is camera here. Be careful around it, and there is nothing in this side, but be careful about this ribbon cable for the digitizer here. Okay, so once you carefully open this, so digitizer is still good. So now onto the back button here. See the mod I did here. So instead of just those connections touching there, so what I did is solder a bit of wire from here, from the bottom there to there, and the same with the other side, from here to here. Okay, and again, while you are here, make sure that this flex cable here that goes to the power top, right? That it's securely tight into the motherboard, so it's well connected. So again, with a very small amount of alcohol, this one here, 99.9, so that's for Isopropanol, the one. So you just apply very small amount using the air plug here, so you just here, around here, and you gently push it down. So now, as you can see, one click woke up the screen, so you can see the time. Unlike before, you have to click hundreds of times, and sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't. So once it's all fixed like that, all what you do is you put something here, some kind of sponge thing, use some glue there, and you put down. Just make sure that the length of those wires as well, not too long, because otherwise you'll have trouble getting the thing back together. So a little bit of glue there, put down, and as you see, home button is stuck into the panel, which is good. And I'll be back when I assemble all this together. Now the iPad is all sealed up, so I put the double tape here around all the panel, and as you can see, all the functions are good. So the sound, the mute button as well, the power button, and put my password, and the thing is the back button is good now, so I open like sitting, and if I press just once, so boom, quickly. And this is a permanent fix. Open like whatever, not for example. So as you can see, it's only a hardware issue there. So instead of this power, the home button makes connection with the dock here, what I did is soldered them, so there is a permanent connection now there, and there is no worry that it won't actually conduct to the power. So it's good now. Let's see one go. Yeah, thanks YouTube for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions, please just comment, and I'll do all my best to answer all your comments. Thanks again. Thank you.